In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your WooCommerce consumer key. Whether you're integrating an app, linking WooCommerce to another platform, or just diving deeper into customizing your site, obtaining your consumer key is a vital step. So let's get started with a clear, guided process that you can follow along with ease. First, the journey begins by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. This central hub is where most of your website management activities are carried out, and obtaining your consumer key is no exception. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the panel where you will see various options. You want to locate and click on WooCommerce, which will then expand to show additional settings. From this drop-down, go ahead and select Settings. Upon entering the settings, you'll be greeted with a series of tabs at the top. To continue, navigate to the tab labeled Advanced. As this hints, it contains more sophisticated features that delve into the under-the-hood functions of your store. Click on the Advanced tab to proceed. Next, you'll see another set of tabs appear. Locate and click on the one marked REST API. This tab is crucial as it allows you to manage API keys, providing the gateway for applications to communicate securely with your site. Moving forward, look for either the Add Key or Create API Key button. Both serve the same purpose, so click on whichever is available to you. This will bring up a form that we'll need to fill out next. The form you see now is important, as it ensures the API key you create is properly configured for your needs. Begin by entering a description. This is solely for your reference, so you might use something like My App Integration to remind you what this key is for. Next, you'll select the user to whom this key's permissions will be assigned. Typically, this is set as an administrator or an API user, ensuring they have the necessary access levels. You'll then need to specify the permissions. You can choose between read, write, or read-write access. The appropriate choice will depend on what level of interaction your integration requires. For instance, if you need to both retrieve and send data, then read-write would be the suitable option. Once these fields are thoughtfully populated, proceed by clicking on the Generate API Key button. Congratulations, WooCommerce will now display your newly minted keys, the consumer key and the consumer secret, along with a QR code and an option to revoke the key if needed in the future. Pay special attention here. It's crucial to copy both keys immediately. Note that the consumer secret won't be accessible again once you leave the page, so ensure you have it securely documented before navigating away. And with that, you've successfully obtained your WooCommerce consumer key. Remember, handling these keys with care is important for maintaining the security and integrity of your website. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your WooCommerce integrations.